Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to cancel Tabby Plus subscription. For that, you can either use the official website of Tabby or you can even do the same steps in your Tabby mobile application. So I'm currently on Tabby's official website. So here, once you are on this page, you just have to simply log in into your account by tapping on this login option in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, you need to simply go in your profile icon, and then in your profile you will be able to see Tabby Plus and the activated trial, the trial that you have activated. So if you want to cancel it, you need to simply tap on this banner, and then you need to scroll down a bit and select the option of that I no longer want to use it, and then you just have to simply proceed with the further instructions in order to cancel your subscription. Now, if you are using the Tabby mobile application, you need to tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner, and you need to navigate to the Tabby Plus section. And then you need to simply come to this page and tap on this banner, and after following further instructions, you just have to simply cancel your subscription. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.